Tem um bang.
Pô, tô aqui mesmo, não tem ninguém, mano.
Ó.
Tem um embaixo aqui.
Só um. É, não vai querer não.
Sai! Respeita o pai! Que o pai tá o quê, ó?
5K?
Us report we dead body in storage.
Us is imposter.
Us report dead body in
Us
storage.
is lying. Us popped out of vent. Why would me say us pop out of vent? Me would just say us killed we.
Me saw us report body
Me
in
popped
storage.
out of vent.
Me?
I
am having breakdown.
You trust me. Me did medbay scan.
No. Us found we.
Right?
Oh,
right?
Me did medbay scan. Me did
Yes,
medbay
yes,
scan.
that is correct. Us popped out of a vent. Yeah. Get fucked, us.
Oh my god.
Me did medbay scan.
Oh my god. I'm so happy.
That hurt.
Brain breaking.
That really hurt.
Us, you betray the pact of the plural.
Wow.
Oh no. Oh, what the fuck? Yo, is this real or is this Photoshop? Why does he look like he's about to call the manager, dude? My man just called the manager a luminosity.
Crafting.
I'm not gonna fucking lose this because I don't have a fucking I don't have any wood.
Crafting.
Okay. Relax.
ULW has made the
I fucking knew it, man. Where the fuck is my? I don't have a pickaxe,
Crafting.
man. I don't have the wood.
Crafting.
I don't have wood. What do I do? You placed the wood. Oh! I placed the wood!
Crafting.
Again? No. Okay.
Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go, bruh. Are you kidding me? Let's go. All right. I dropped some. I didn't know what to put.
That happened.
Gender reveal? Wait, what? What's that?
So FLIR is forward-looking infrared. I have this belief that in a few years we're gonna see a lot of thermal imaging systems being set up at airports, stadiums, and whatnot to check people's temperatures before they come in to kind of prevent the next coronavirus from happening. And instead of having people, you know, do your temperature individually before you come in, they're going to have an imager that's going to take everyone's temperature and see, and if everybody's escalated, they're going to take them to the side and put them down. So I'm in there earlier. I'm actually slightly down on that, but I'm holding it for the long term. I'm in.
Why? We're in America. You really think the government cares enough to start doing things like that? Really? You really believe that? In a few years from now? You believe that? Really? You believe that they're gonna care enough to check our temperatures and make sure everyone's okay? In the country that is doing the worst with the fucking virus right now, you think they're gonna want to be better for the future?
This October of 2020 is going to be my best month yet. It's raining? Yeah. So what do you mean?
The rug.
Oh my goodness.
Get a picture of it, Felix. Don't fuck this up. You get it? Ah! Felix, you get it?
I'm dead. It's over. Ah!
Did he get it? What is that? Why are you taking a picture of fucking fruit? He took one picture! Bro, what are you fucking trying to sell this on Craigslist? Oh yeah, this is a good buy. You could get a lot of nice furniture, some fruit, some apples, some pears. What the fuck? Pussy ass. God damn it.
Did I not get it?
Man, what the hell?
Sandra, where are you?
What is the name, sir?
F, is it F? Sandra Robinson.
Oh shit! Oh my fucking god! Fuck! Did you see that?
I got a picture, get out!
Did you do? Holy shit, dude! Fuck! Did you see?
I got a picture!
That was freaky, dude! It
Zoomers LUL, are you sure you want? Say, title screen.
Explain to me how I get aggro. Explain to me how I get aggro. No, really. In a way that...
Crafting. Zoomers L title screen button.
Who he is? I'm sorry. Like
I know like of him. I don't really like. I don't.
I mean, it's not a bad thing. I just have never met someone who doesn't know. I'm not saying that in an ego way. Like it's a good thing that you don't know him, because you're looking at me like a normal person now. You're not understanding how much money he may have, or you know.
But I'm also not talking to him. If I was talking to him, yeah.
True, but I don't know. I honestly, I thought you invited me on here because you knew who I was, like in relation to him. I literally thought you wanted me on here because you wanted to like, say Tyler One's girlfriend came on my stream. I'm surprised you put Michaela in its fucking title.
Why? What am I missing here?
I'd like.
Oh, like I'm like it was like I'd be one of like clout chasing or something?
No, I don't think. No, you.
Nossa, que cagado.
Ai, cara, I love you!
Desmuta o mic.
O pai tá on, é hoje que o nem brasa. O pai tá on, é hoje que o nem brasa. O pai tá on, é hoje que o nem brasa.
Fucking teammate when he's the imposter. Is it,
Hey, bro! I thought you were a rapper. You're a fucking genius. Get super first and then easy. Oh my, easy, don't
Let's go.
I'm pretty sure it's
Izzy, defend yourself.
Oh,
Exactly.
Go ahead, Izzy. Let's hear it.
Go ahead.
We don't
Izzy.
got time for that shit. We don't got time. Izzy, hit super. Hit super.
I love it.
Soulja, we doing a mixtape together, bro.
That nigga said we don't got time for that shit.
Man, fuck that shit. Man, y'all wrong for this shit.
What?
You're a maniac, bro.
Yo, you're crazy, bro. Zherka, you're fucking crazy. You're fucking crazy, bro. You're crazy, bro.